What's up, guys? I know it's been a while. I got an amazing video here for you guys. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I got paid $20,000 from one single real estate wholesale deal at the age of 22. Really quick, if you guys are new, my name is Ari. I'm 22 years old. I close around 5 to 6 real estate wholesale deals every single month. I don't make any cold calls. I don't spend thousands of dollars on Facebook and Google ads, and I don't waste my time on Zillow or trying to talk to agents about already on market properties. That's an absolute waste of time. What I do by far, I think, is the best route to close wholesale real estate deals, and it's called text blasting. All I do is pull a list, skip trace it, upload it to my software. Every single person on that list gets texted instantly. From there, all I have to do is reply back to the leads and then close them. All right, guys, before I get too deep in the video, here's the check I picked up after closing that one deal. It's a $20,000 check, and yes, this was, again, from one deal. I didn't spend a single fucking hour making cold calls. I didn't spend thousands of dollars on Facebook or Google ads. I didn't waste my time on Zillow talking to agents about on-market properties and having to deal with proof of funds and crap like that. If you guys are interested in setting up my exact working text blast system, there's going to be a little link in the description down below for my one-on-one program. In that program, you get my text blast system plus one-on-one support with me until you literally close a deal with my system. So again, look for the link in the description. It should just say book one-on-one or rewholesale.com. And again, I just want to show you guys the shit works. Here's one of my students. Literally a few days ago, they closed a $7,000 deal. He made $7,000 off one deal. Again, no cold calling, no ads, no Zillow, no wasting time with agents, no on-market crap. Got him set up on the text blasting, and he made $7,000. And here's some more proof. As you can see, everyone's closing with this system. The shit works. It's by far the best way to close deals if you're wholesaling real estate, especially in 2026. So again, there's going to be a link in the description. It's going to say book one-on-one. Just click that. It's a quick video going over my whole system and everything. Book a call, get on a call with me, and we'll see if you're a good fit for the program. All right, now let's get into the fun stuff. So how this deal actually started. This $20,000 deal literally started with a singular text message. Again, like I told you guys, I don't make any cold calls. I don't spend fucking money on ads. I don't waste time on Zillow. This deal came from a single text message. Literally, all I did was pull a list of properties in my area, and I was reaching out to homeowners to see if they were interested in selling their property. That's it. One of the homeowners reached back out to me a little bit later and just straight up asked if we were still in the business of buying houses in the area, which of course I got on the phone with them and I told them that I was, and I immediately transitioned the conversation from my CRM to my main line just because I didn't want to mix up this lead. They seemed very hot. So I moved the conversation to my main phone number because I found out that these guys were very motivated in selling. In fact, she told me that the husband had someone planning on already coming over to check out the property, so they were really looking to get rid of it quickly. Um, from there, I mean, I got on the phone with them and I straight up told them that my offer would be around 112,000. And they told me that someone was coming to check out the house on Wednesday, blah 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 blah, and they would get back to me. Now here's where things got fun. So this house was a complete shit show. But the value of the land alone was worth around $90,000. So I mean, to me, it was a really good deal regardless. If we got it around 110 to 112,000. Apparently the person they had come check out the house Wednesday completely fucking lowballed them. They were like in the 80 to $90,000 range, which for them wasn't gonna work. And my offer already being higher with that, they ended up just contacting me again, and we got them under contract at 110,000. So let's go over the numbers really quickly. So I'll explain to you guys where I got the $20,000 from, how this deal made sense, why this deal made sense, all that good stuff. So again, like I was saying, ended up getting the property under contract for $110,000, which in my opinion was a really good price. The ARV of the property was $250,000, and ARV simply means after repair value. After repair value means how much the property would be worth after it's all fixed up and everything. So these are the legit numbers on exactly how I made the $20,000. This, $20,000 isn't just a number I made up my ass. I'm gonna go over all the numbers. So again, like I was saying, the ARV was $250,000. This is the after repair value. So this is estimated how much the property would be worth after it's all fixed up and good to go. Now we times the ARV by 70%, which brings it to a wholesale price. Now this number is usually the number that cash buyers and investors are looking for. Again, they want to be buying pennies on the dollar. They don't want to be buying at market value. Again, that's why it's a cash, it's a cash buy. So we brought it down to wholesale price with the 70%. And then that number that we got was $175,000. This was wholesale price before the cost of repairs and before my $20,000 fee. Now, the property was a shit show, like I was telling you guys. The estimated repair cost on this piece of shit was around $40,000. So we had to subtract $40,000 from 175. So 175 minus the $40,000 in repair gave us the max allowable offer of 135. And like I was telling you guys, so we got him under contract at $110,000. So the difference between that is sort of what we were looking at for the assignment fee. So 135 minus 110 leaves us a $25,000 spread in the middle, which is what my assignment fee was supposed to start looking like. Yeah, the difference on that, like I was saying, is $25,000. We wanted to move this deal quickly, get this shit done. So I did put up $5,000 from the assignment fee towards the buyer paying off title and closing so we can get this shit going quickly. And I walked away with an assignment fee of $20,000. I just showed you guys all the numbers and everything behind this offer and deal, how it was structured, all that good stuff. And that's literally how I walked away with the check that says $20,000 under it. Again, guys, this shit is not rocket science. It's real estate wholesaling. All you do is find off market properties, sell them to investors for a fee. You don't buy the property, you just connect the seller and the buyer, and you get paid in the middle, right? You get paid of what's left in the middle. Like in my case, it was 25,000. We ended up making it 20,000. It's literally that simple, not rocket science. And if you guys want to set up my exact working text blasting system and literally everything I use to close 5 to 6 deals like this every single month, the same stuff my students are using to close deals every single month. As you can see, my boy made $7,000. All you got to do is click that link in the description, book that one-on-one call with me, and see if you're a good fit for the program. It's not just me. It's not just him. I have countless amount of students closing deals using my text blasting system. By far the best way to do it. You don't have to make cold calls. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars on ads. You don't have to waste your time on Zillow and talking to agents and dealing with on-market bullshit and proof of funds. So yeah, look for the link in the description, book that call. I'll see you guys on the call. If not, join the Discord. It's free to join. I have a bunch of resources in there, contracts, templates, scripts. Besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what type of video you guys want to see next, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.